Once in a vibrant forest, there lived three inseparable friends: a clever rabbit named Remy, a wise owl named Oliver, and a kind deer named Maya. One sunny day, they stumbled upon a mysterious box left by humans. Eager to uncover its contents, they struggled to open it. Remy, with his agility, managed to pry it open. Inside was a dazzling gem that shimmered brightly. Excitedly, they debated who should keep the gem. Oliver suggested, "Let's keep it in the center of the forest and share its beauty." But Remy wanted to sell it for riches, and Maya thought it should be gifted to the elders. That disagreement led to arguments, and soon they stopped talking to each other. Days turned into weeks, and the friends drifted apart, their laughter silenced. One evening, a storm hit the forest, and a tree fell on Maya's house. Helpless and alone, Maya struggled to free herself. Suddenly, Remy and Oliver arrived, hearing the commotion. Without hesitation, they united to rescue Maya, using their strengths to remove the tree. Realizing their friendship was more valuable than any gem, they reconciled. They placed the gem in the forest's center, where its radiance lit up their renewed friendship. From that day on, they understood that unity and understanding were more precious than any treasure.